Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Parkland local and long-distance movers near me. We can assist you in moving locally, within the state, or across state lines. We have a first-class relationship with the local and federal authorities in charge of the moving process. Not only do we have these, but we also have insurance policies to secure our customers during and after the move. These policies cover every risk incurred during and after we make the transfer. Our team consists of hardworking and dependable drivers. We have professional movers ready to deliver your belongings to your destination without damage. Our services are affordable, and we are always accessible and available to help you out. A local move is more affordable than a long-distance relocation. Our rates are cheap, going for about $30 to $40 per hour. Our local movers are professionally licensed and trained, making sure to provide excellent service for your money. We can transfer you through bustling areas and cities successfully. So rest assured, knowing your belongings will be fine. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Parkland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.